month is it? Is where collaborators create at least one project that denotes the month of July. It can be food, color, flowers, trees, or animals. The host is Tammy at Happiness Created, and co-hosts are Missy at Crafty Cove DIY and Jackie at Mama Mia DIY. In addition, the special guest host is Emily at Farm Charm Chic. They have awesome channels, so be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. Their links as well as the playlist is in my description box. Also, follow the other collaborators that are showing wonderful things that they have made to represent the month of July. Are you hungry for some healthy blueberry recipes? These powerful tiny summer fruits are packed with plenty of nutrients that promote good health and ward off a number of health problems. Blueberries are known to soften dry skin, prevent cancer, and may even boost your brain power. The antioxidant-rich blueberries are also loaded with fiber, so a handful can satisfy your daily requirement of fiber too. And it is easy to reap the benefits of blueberries with the following healthy and delicious blueberry recipe. So I took some family members to Blueberry Point in Michigan, and the smoothie is made from hand-picked blueberries. They were so gracious. They told us where to go to pick, and we took, my cousin and I took our granddaughters, and we had a wonderful time out there. I even took some blueberries and froze them, so I should be able to make some blueberry smoothies even in the winter time. So the recipe for the blueberry yogurt smoothie is a low-calorie smoothie. It has an extra touch of healthy ingredients like flax seeds and the fiber from the blueberry and frozen banana and protein from the yogurt combined to make a perfect, satisfying grab-and-go breakfast. I have been drinking smoothies for quite a while now because they're healthy, and I even sometimes put a handful of oatmeal in there. So the ingredients for this blueberry yogurt smoothie include frozen or fresh blueberries, 12 ounces of light vanilla yogurt, or just 12 ounces of vanilla yogurt, or you can also use blueberry yogurt, 1 large chilled bananas. I like mine frozen, but it's up to you, and 4 teaspoons of ground flax seeds. You put all of these things in your blender and you blend all of the ingredients until they are smooth. And then you want to serve it chilled. Oh, doesn't it look wonderful? And not only does it look wonderful, it tastes awesome. So I would like to see you try it also. July is also National Culinary Arts Month. This celebratory month promotes the awareness of professional cooks and chefs, as well as their contribution to the new culinary trends and the world of fine dining. And although we like to celebrate culinary arts and our chefs every day of the year, today we're going to recognize Chef Michael Anthony. He's from Chef Roll Test Kitchen series. So today I am going to do a charcuterie. Yes, usually you say charcuterie, which is on a board, but this is a charcuterie, which is in a jar. So the supplies you need for this, you're going to put in some peppers, some breadsticks, cucumbers, tomatoes, some cheese. It can be mozzarella balls or just some cut up little squares of cheese. Fruit, blackberries, grapes, or red raspberries. Some mint, some olives, and salami. Now I use veggie salami, and it was a little thin and it kind of fell apart, but it is very delicious. And you can also put nuts in it. So the other things that you will need for this are some wide mouth jars or glasses and some 5-inch toothpicks, or you can use bamboo skewers. I use bamboo skewers, and then I just kind of cut them down so that they would stick up a little bit in the jar and wouldn't be too tall. So you just put all of your ingredients in, you put your breadsticks in, you cut up your cucumbers, you can put those on the skewers, and your tomatoes. I use little cherry tomatoes, you put those on their skewers. I just did some pepper jack because that is the cheese that I liked. I really didn't have any mozzarella balls, so I cut up some pepper jack cheese and put that on the stick also. I also put olives, and you can mix and match. You can put olives and tomatoes and cucumbers on one, and then you can put like your cheese and your salami and something else on the others. Now I tried to put the veggie salami into the olives, but I was struggling. I had a little difficult time, but however, it came out really nice and it looked good. You can also use carrots. You can use anything to make your charcuterie. So let me know what you think. It was delicious. My guests loved it. And so there you go. My last observation for the month of July is World Watercolor Month. It is observed annually in July, and it celebrates the art and creativity through the use of watercolors. Now, watercolor is a beautiful medium that has captivated people around the globe for centuries. Today, artists produce amazing paintings each day. In addition, sketchers continue to popularize watercoloring in a wonderful way to add life and color to the drawings of the world around them. This month, we encourage you to take out some watercolor paints and start creating. It is also a good time to raise awareness about the importance of art and creativity everywhere. Of course, anyone can join the celebration, whether you're a master watercolorist or a beginner, which is me. It's your time to show off your art. The supplies needed for this watercolor painting is some watercolor paper, pencil, watercolor paints, and a paintbrush. Now the colors that I use, I will be telling you as I paint. Sandra Art Review painted a beautiful bird on a limb and dotted it with red berries. I will try my watercolor skills and paint a bird on a branch. However, I will call mine out on a limb. I started out by sketching the bird, limb, and branches with a pencil. I painted the branch brown, blending in a little bit of black. Shading with watercolors is a challenge since I have not done any watercoloring in years. I think I am on the right track, but I am figuring out less water for darker shades and more water for lighter shades. Once the main branch was completed, I started painting the limbs, some thin and some just a little thicker. In fact, the branches surround the bird on the main branch. Now it is time to put the red berries on the branches. Then it is time to put the leaves or greenery within the picture. I use light green, dark green, rust, and yellow, and sort of mixed them together and did some organic shapes. Lastly, it was time to paint the bird. I used light blue, dark blue, rust gray, and a hint of yellow. And you can take these colors and mix them with other colors to get the right hue that you want. The beak was painted black along with the eye, and a dot of white was put in the eye for realistic sake. I added some rust and gray and turquoise to the belly of the bird and started shading all of the empty white spaces until I was satisfied, and added a few more berries here and there. Then touch-up time. It is not perfect, but I put my best effort in observing Watercolor Month to raise the importance of art and creativity. I think this is it, Z9 Design family. Make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment if you like. Let me know how I did. And remember, kindness is being someone who makes everyone feel like somebody. Take care. Bye-bye.